In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view time variance. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and choose Analyze. From the drop-down menu, select Variance. You should arrive at your variance chart. If you had been at your totals or headcounts page, you could have clicked on variance and also arrived at this page. First, make sure you are viewing the date range that you want. Right now I'm viewing the current pay period. Maybe I don't want to view a whole pay period. So I can click this arrow and I can choose to view a day, week, pay period, or range at a time. I'll choose week. Next, make sure you have the correct week selected. Right now, this week is starting on the 7th. Maybe I want to view the next week. I could click on the calendar icon, or I could use the forward arrow. Right now, this chart is showing me only the employees' scheduled hours. If I also want to see their leave hours, I can click Schedule and Leave. To change it back, all I have to do is click Schedule Only. In this chart, I can see the employee's name, their scheduled hours, their actual hours, and the variance, how many hours they worked that was different from their scheduled amount. If I scroll down, I can see the total number of employees, the total number of scheduled hours, the total number of actual worked hours, and the total variance. If I scroll back up, I can export this information in an Excel spreadsheet or a PDF by clicking either of those options. Let's say I want this information in an Excel spreadsheet. I can click Export to Excel, then choose my name and my folder. If you changed your mind and you don't want to export this information, click Cancel. I do, so I will choose Save. And now that spreadsheet has been saved. To view the spreadsheet, you can go to your Documents folder, or I can click on this shortcut here. This is what that information will look like. Now I can make any changes, print it, do whatever I need to with this data. To return to TeamWork 5, exit out of this window, and you should return to TeamWork 5 in your internet browser. That's how you can view your time variance. Check out the next video to learn how to filter this information and save a specific view.